So today we're at the Rio Grande River. We could go to Falcon, but the water's really low. Falcon is putting out a lot of big fish, but today we just want to have some fun, so stay tuned. We are experiencing chill weather, so that's why I'm wearing a sweater. Hopefully the clouds will go away and this won't pick up. So yeah, with that said, let's go ahead and get in the water and have a good time like always. Man, I love the way the birds sound here in the river. Ooh. Oh, got me a little one right in the landing, bro. I was like, is that a bite or I got snagged? Well,
that was a quick release.
Yeah. The motor's going at 8 on the speed to fight the current. In some parts it's 2. Yeah. Fresquecillo, so that could make a difference.
Oh, yeah, it slows it down.
Yeah. Right there, bro. It's a good one. That's a good 2, no?
Very good 2.
Right on the upper lip. Oh shoot.
Solid hook.
Yes, sir. Chill out, chill out. Yeah, he. Oh, he ripped off the pincher. Start carrying a, it's a good way to start off the day. We're drifting.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yes, sir. He's a good one. He's a good one.
Nice.
Nice hog. Oh.
With a chatterbait.
Look at that's a long
male.
Long male. That's right.
Very, very good.
Oh yeah. On a chatterbait. Go. You know? He even took my trailer.
Whoa.
Bro, that was like right there. I forgot what trailer I had. Oh, he threw a piece. Oh, no, miss it. Oh, yeah. That's a little one. Ah, that's a little one. Double. Yeah. No, hombre. Aquito. Oh, you got him. That's a good one, too. That's a really nice one. Oh, and that was on the horny toad?
Yeah, horny toad. I thought I had missed him. Sir, calm down, and I will release you ASAP. There you go. Second one on the zoom.
Horny toad. Is that watermelon red?
Yes, sir.
Nice. I think that's what I need to start shooting. Like a
watermelon red.
Watermelon red type of bait.
Yes.
Or the trench hog or...
Yeah. I was...
Well, we know the power pole works.
Yeah, dude. Oh,
hey. Oh, go on. That was right at the bank. Yeah, no, I was pulling it out y se atravesó. Little fish.
I think it's the same one that welcomed us earlier.
This is the outro.
Yeah.
The outro. That was right there, bro.
Where?
Right here, aquí en ahorita. Look at the size of the bait compared to that fish.
Yeah, bro.
So there's a lot of current at the Rio Grande River right now. What helped out a lot was the Minn Kota power drive and the power pole. I had mentioned that Falcon Lake is really low, and it appears as if they're still releasing water. It looks like it's in the Mexico side. As you can see, there's nothing on the spillway here in the US side. Creature baits and chatterbaits are still doing it for us, but I think that this cool front, overnight cool front, didn't help our case. Anyways, thank you for watching, and thank you all for those positive vibes. With that said, see y'all next time.